I'm finally back after like 2 days of not posting. I was dealing with some business and it was boring, but I could have filmed. But when I thought about it, I signed up to share my business and I wasn't alone, so I didn't want to like overstep my boundaries with anyone else. So I decided not to film, and I could have made a short video afterwards, but I was really tired. Plus, I have some other things I deal with, like cleaning, cooking, and you know the basic, pulling out my hair. Yeah, I was just doing me. And I promised I would film every day, but for someone who don't even post on social media, it's kind of difficult to overshare. But I will be uploading clips of some of the things I did during those 2 days. And right now I'm heading on the road to finish Christmas shopping. So yeah, come with me to finish Christmas shopping. Hopefully I get some good ornaments this time.
Like, brother, one of them day, you know, one day, I'm gonna get some one day.
You should donate.
But they want to propose and some look good, but disturbance there.
Well, according to calculation, you're not going to look good with that on your head.
Man's a
So you think we look better without it?
No, I'm not talk this. I'm talk about this overall.
My ear?
The hat can't cover it.
And it forces me okay, like a slow. I'm not sure, I'm gonna take a chance. Oh shit, it was the one down there, so I was for you. Oh, is she pretty?
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine. I'll be
feet.
Water.
Can I get one with ice? Thanks.
This is like everything up. Love, I want to have fun, always a cheer for you. I want to have fun, always a cheer for you.
Guys, this is your sign to get a Jamaican man. All of them have to tell a lie. Them know what to do to make you smile because I was smiling for the entire day by this total stranger. Sorry, a fan. Well, until someone, but you soon find out that. Guys, I met a fan. I'm gonna catch it on camera.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Alright, so mini story time. The plan today was to go to 3 stores because I texted Buzz Lifestyle and she told I liked her decoration and I texted her and she said that she bought her decorations at Dunn's, Super Valley and Bashko. So I said, alright, me I got them places too. No, I said I go Dunn's because I don't know spot that day. Me I go Azan instead. So I go Bashko, Azan, and me supposed to go Super Valley. Only to find out say when we pull up in the parking lot, look up Mr. Rapid True Value, the hardware store. I could have sworn Super Value did it, so apparently I don't know where it is either. So yeah, this is just me in the hardware store looking if I can actually see any Christmas decoration to make sure this isn't a waste. But yeah, I went to that place instead. This place right here. But I can't bother. I use one hose. I didn't try to find my hula loop and couldn't find none to decorate. Thank you guys for watching. I still haven't got everything I wanted, but at this point, I just like a freestyle it because I don't know what I'm going. Like, I was even searching for a hula hoop because I didn't done for freestyle it already, but I can't find none. So, when you see it, you see it. Thanks for watching.